Alright, so check it. I was working on a drawing the other day just to pass the time, and I thought to myself, what if I took this sketch and made it into a digital illustration? So I decided to call this series, Let's Get Digital. Yeah, now I know, the name might sound kinda corny, but hear me out. I'll take a quick sketch or an old drawing, and I'll recreate that on a drawing app called Procreate on my iPad Pro. This will allow me to archive all my drawings from a piece of paper to a screen. Before we get started, make sure you all hit that subscribe button if you're new to the channel. With all that being said, let's get started. I'm going to start by transferring the hand-drawn sketch into a digital sketch using the 6B sketch pencil.
Wave, nice guy with a cold shoulder. You be cool, but I don't know you. Wrote a flower and I'm off the potion. Give me superpowers and I won't stop to the bank. Roll on supermassive. Big bank for the space chatter. Way up in the squad NASA. Copperfield with the dark magic. Subtle flex when I run a race. Tell these rap buddies eat my dust. Lil baddie after cellular. Talking life and I we set it up. I'm a sharpshooter, yeah, Will Smith. Call me Prince Park, let me freshen up. Bay boy on a level up. Way up near the nebulas. I'm never copping a chain, cause I see it all through the frames. And I leave it all on the pages, feeling like they want me locked in a cage. They want us all on their fade, but I'ma go all the way A with it, cause I don't feel all the way safe here. Yeah, spray the champagne, shower up in the air. Stunner goggles, I don't mess with the flu. Untamed and she wild off the goose. Ghost ride, yeah, I come through the roof. Ducking 12, yeah, they all on my tail. Hella wild and I break all the rules. Chill, bro, you way out of line. Yeah, I know it's a mood. I'ma go all the way up. They keep calling my phone.
Next, I'll use one of my favorite outliners called the Sushi Outliner. This pen has a dope rigid quality that gives my illustrations a unique texture.
Going crazy with it, got the phrase jumping off the page, gifted, got the waves swishing, got the neighbors tripping, got the trap booming, jumping out the speakers, drip on me, jumping off the easel, gold wristed, couldn't tell me nothing. Nah, bought a fisted, cooking the bars, turn a lab into a living kitchen, watching grimace when I water whip it, subtle flexing to the candid image, come from pushing in the S-type with no license, gas low, the windows tinted, still couldn't see me with the zoom on your little vision. Nah, we are not the same, we got different lenses, no one snapping like we something real vivid, keep it realistic, quick to split it with my day ones, got the label making bank runs, cause a train of thought like a freight, huh? I'm the type to get a late start, you the type to be afraid, huh? I'm the type to never have things, you the type to have it made, huh? Yeah, wave, and I keep fuel to the flame, huh? How they got me going this hard, really I'm the type to never say much. Vice grip, got the game clutch, every song make the stage rush. I always said making money might change things, but never let it make us. I'ma go all the way up, they keep calling my phone, they catching on to the buzz. I got it out of the mud, but I'ma go all the way up. Bad girl from the soil, she taking me out of this world. I'ma go
all the way up. They keep on calling my phone, they catching on to the buzz. I got it out of the mud, I'ma go all the way up. They keep on calling my phone, they catching on to the buzz. I got it out of the mud, I'ma go all the way up. Y'all hit up with a dream, hold it down for my team. I'm afraid of how I did it.
Now that we have our Goku image transferred over, I decided last minute to add a few Dragon Balls to really give it that true DBZ representation. Once the illustration is completely outlined, we can now focus on the color. There are so many coloring techniques when working digitally, which can speed up the process, but for the experience, I went ahead and I manually colored most of the illustration. Now that I've completely layered out the base color, I can start adding some shadows. Here's a quick tip. You want to be intentional about where you place your shadows on your image, which focuses mainly on lighting and color theory, but no pressure. I say do what looks and feels right to you. Alright, so we're getting close to the end. I appreciate y'all for hanging in there with me. So the next step is adding some highlights. Alright, cool. For the final step, we're going to give this illustration an off-white background, a lightish blue contrast, and for the best part, a signature.
My life been looking gorgeous. Take one day at a time, I pray I never have to force it. Got bad women for me, tell they man he need to forfeit. I'm standing with the torch gripped in my hand, I'm hella calm, the other palm hold my fortune. I live ready to die, my mama hate me sounding morbid. Growing up, my daddy got caught up in chasing fortune. He'd probably be more proud if I was doctor or a lawyer, but I'm paid to be aligned with only living in the moment. And I can't have my target, want me locked behind these bars or in a spot that I can conquer. But f it, cause we live in. And I'm addicted to feeling like I'm invincible. Take the bag, then I triple it. The flow been on the pinnacle. Vivid dreams of a miracle. Where I made it out of bind. Lately I'm so out of mind. It's hard to wanna go outside cause they been killing off my kind. But I gotta hold my head and keep it loyal to the players. Don't let them rob you of protection of yourself. It's lying for a check, I call it bribing for the flex. To the label, drop your the bank, collect on your advance.
And boom, a Goku illustration. So I decided to make this a giveaway. To enter, you must subscribe to the channel, of course. You want to follow me on Instagram at rebrand. Then underneath the video, comment Goku with your IG name. And that's it. It's easy. The winner of the giveaway will receive a canvas printing of this illustration. I plan on doing this illustration series on a weekly or monthly basis. So let me know what you want to see. Hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I'll catch y'all on the next one.
They talking foul with the cap lock. My heart is cold, keep it padlocked. My mind is coated in Kevlar. They sit the shop and can't stick me. I dropped the ball in my lesson. I dropped the class with the schedule. I can't afford to be bored, but a couple of bros me through the school with degrees. Can't let an interview, they pay more than a minimum wage. They pull up suited, but they talking about them dreads on their head. And it be their resume, they can't say their name. That shit is shame. A system got it easier. They claim she need to relax. Got a couple kids, a single mom, they laid her up back in